How to do a green screen in CapCut. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of green screen effects using CapCut and Chroma. So choose the video that you want to edit on CapCut. Now choose the blur filter and then adjust the filter and set the intensity to 20. Now drag the blur effect throughout the video. You can also do it in a photo. And then come back, go to overlay, and then choose a green screen video that you have already downloaded, and then adjust the video and make the green screen video full screen. After that, choose the overlay option again and then search for remove BG option. Tap on it and there you'll see chroma key. Go ahead and tap on it and a small circle like thing will appear on the screen, and then drag it around where you want to remove the green screen, and you can also increase and decrease its intensity, and there you go. Now the green screen has been removed and the previous video that you had on the screen is visible. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.